Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to our AutoCAD tutorials. So this is part 2 of our hydraulic structures or manholes. If you just tuned in, I'd highly recommend that you check the video just before this one. It covers a bit of background and goes into the different pipe bedding classes that we will be using in this specific chapter or module, and that way you'll be able to understand where certain values are coming from. So I said in this video we'll be covering some examples or an example or so, just to see how really illegally easy this is. So on screen is a question, and it's a normal typical question that would pop up either in a test or an exam, unless you're asked to draw a section of an existing image or figure that is provided. That is a whole different story, but of course you would need to still understand what bedding class you're using and what materials you're exposed to and so on. So it says a manhole that is 1,100 millimeters high and 900 millimeters wide is designed using a bedding class BB. Using an ISO A4 at a scale of 1:10, sketch the sectional plan of the manhole if the main pipe has a diameter of 50 millimeters and is placed 350 millimeters above the trench floor. Bedding class BB is used as follows. First, the initial layer starting from the trench floor is made up of compacted granular materials and has a depth of 1,000 millimeters. The second layer, or the main fill, has a depth of 100 millimeters and consists of clay materials. Okay, I hope I'm able to remember this. And it says, note that the pipe or the main pipe is symmetrically centered in the excavated trench. Interesting. So now we'll open our AutoCAD. I haven't specified any layers or so on. That'll be up to you to cover and obviously specify. I'm just going to show the main lines. Now my memory is bad. Okay, so our manhole, 1,100 millimeters high, 900 millimeters wide. So let's just create that. Okay, and 900 millimeters wide. Okay, so we already know our structure will fall somewhere here. I really hope this is visible. Might need to increase my brightness because I don't like bright stuff. There we go. Okay, so we already know that's that 1,100, 900 millimeters wide. What other information do we have? We have bedding class BB, so we know we have the granular material and then the final main material on top. So two main materials. The main pipe has a diameter of 50 millimeters and it will be placed 350 millimeters above the trench floor. Okay, so we can start off with that 50 millimeter one, put it over there. What else do we have? Okay, it's placed 350 millimeters above the trench floor. You can use the offset command. Oops. 350 to there. Right. Let's just put it over there for now. The second layer or the main floor has a depth of 100. Wait, I'll skip something. Class BB, initial layer starting from the trench floor, compacted granular materials with a depth of 1,000 meters. Okay, we can use offset again from the bottom. Then we have that main one that will be 100. So it essentially closes it off. Okay. Anything else I'm missing? Class BB, the pipe is symmetrically centered in the excavated trench. So we need to find the centers of the trench. So we already know that one was 900, so if we could find the 450 point. So it is symmetrically placed, and all that means is that it will be along this 450 line, but we knew from the question that it is placed 350 millimeters above the trench floor. So from that point, should be symmetrical. I really hope this is it. End point as well. Okay, this is scary. Using the center is not working. I need a quadrant. Let's use this one. So that's the 350 point, and that is symmetrically centered. Okay, so we can get rid of these two, right? Then we can have our dimensions. I haven't done my dimension style yet, so don't chase me, don't fight me. Let's in fact set it up, because I hate this type of dimension style. Drawing 2. Should we make it annotative? We can. Continue. Start with the lines. Offset from origin, extend beyond dimension lines. Fixed length, that is the main thing I wanted to change on there. The arrows and symbols stuff, I'm not really bothered much about them. Then we can just take the text height up to like an 8 or a 10, so we can see what we're doing. Obviously there's a lot more to do, but I'm just gonna do that part for now. If you still don't understand the part, yes, don't show me this again. If you still need a bit of clarity on the annotative stuff, there's like 2 videos covering it. I hope that is straight. It looks so dodgy. Let's restart this again. It feels like, for the love of me, nothing is straight. Okay, that one is 100. Then from there to here we have 650. Then from here to there we have 350. From there to there we have 900. Then we have a diameter of 100. Yeah, was it a diameter 100? No. Oh, it's a radius, sorry. Diameter 50. Then what else am I missing? Okay, then we can just take the entire length on there. Then the rest we can just hatch. I want the clay material up here. Then just earth on here. What's happening at the layer? Like 350 below? Bedding cloths BB. Okay, it's the same material. And on here. Then we can escape. Okay, and essentially you have answered the question. Obviously it doesn't really show clearly on here, but essentially you would have answered the question. You would have provided your answer on here. That's what it looks like once it's printed out. That's what it would look like once it's marked. Okay, so make sure that you don't forget your dimensions. Remember to represent that 150 from the top, and then is it diameter 500 or 50? Here I am cooking my, it should be 500, not 50. Yeah, that size was very small. Should be 500, not 50. Pardon that. And then yeah, 350, 900. Show your dimensions, show your backfilling, and show your main fill, and then that is essentially how you represent it. That is what a question would essentially look like when you are carrying out your hydraulic structures. I hope this helps. If it does not, feel free to query. Bye.